Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to autosave chats on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Snapchat app. Then swipe right to open up your chats, and then let me open up some conversation. Right here you can just type in some message and send it. And there are two different ways how you can easily save that message. The first way is just hold down on that message and then select Save in Chat. So from now that message will be saved at that chat conversation. Another way is to hit right here at the very top at your recipient's name. Then you can hit right here at three dots icon and select chat settings. Then you can easily find delete chats, you can get into it, and instead of selecting after viewing, you can select 24 hours after viewing. So from now Snapchat will keep all the messages in that conversation for 24 hours after viewing. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Snapchat tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.